10 Relaxing Habits for a Better Evening Routine. A well-structured evening routine can help you unwind, improve sleep quality, and set the stage for a more productive day ahead. By incorporating calming habits into your night, you can reduce stress, enhance relaxation, and wake up feeling refreshed. Here are 10 top-rated relaxing habits for a better evening routine. 1. Set a digital curfew. Excessive screen time before bed can disrupt melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Try turning off electronic devices at least 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime to promote relaxation. 2. Enjoy a warm herbal tea. A soothing cup of caffeine-free herbal tea, such as chamomile or peppermint, can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This simple ritual promotes relaxation and better sleep. 3. Practice gratitude journaling. Writing down 3 things you're grateful for at the end of the day shifts your focus to positive thoughts and reduces stress. Gratitude journaling has been linked to improved mood and better sleep quality. 4. Take a warm bath or shower. A warm bath or shower helps lower your body temperature, signaling to your brain that it's time for sleep. Adding essential oils like lavender can further enhance relaxation. 5. Read a physical book. Reading a book, preferably a physical one, not on a screen, is a great way to relax before bed. Choose light, enjoyable reading rather than stimulating or work-related material. 6. Stretch or practice. Gentle yoga, gentle stretching, or a short yoga session helps release tension, relax muscles, and prepare your body for rest. Deep breathing exercises can further calm your nervous system. 7. Listen to soothing music or white noise. Soft instrumental music, nature sounds, or white noise can help your mind unwind and create a calming atmosphere, making it easier to drift into sleep. 8. Dim the lights. Bright lighting, especially blue light, can interfere with your body's natural sleep cycle. Plan for tomorrow. A simple to-do list for the next day can help clear your mind and reduce anxiety about unfinished tasks. This allows you to go to bed with a sense of organization and peace. 10. Practice deep breathing or meditation. Spending just a few minutes on deep breathing exercises or guided meditation can significantly lower stress levels and promote better sleep. Techniques like the 4-7-8 breathing method help calm the nervous system. Final thoughts. A relaxing evening routine doesn't have to be complicated. Small, intentional changes can make a big difference in your sleep quality and overall well-being. Experiment with these habits and find what works best for you.